Today we're going to create a leaflet dispenser for your info point. A leaflet dispenser is a very convenient way of offering all the PDF documents that you have on your info point for users to download and keep on their mobile phones. The first stage, as ever, is to log in to the administrator account on your info point. Once you've signed in, you should see a page something like this. To create a leaflet dispenser, the very first thing that we need are some leaflets. Now the leaflets we would normally add as documents, and each leaflet, the page has a title, some text, download the file to your smartphone for reading offline, and the important thing is a PDF file and an optional image. Personally, I recommend uploading the image, and this is just a simple image of the PDF file created using a program like GIMP or PaintShop or some other image that relates to the document. I've cheated a bit and I've already added some content. In fact, I've already added 3 documents. I just go into one of them now and I go to the edit screen, and you can see it's the Saddleton Walk, and I've got a PDF file. You can have several files. I recommend only using one, and again we've just got the image here. Now importantly, don't choose to provide a menu link in these particular cases, so we can just save that file. So this is what we have now. We've got a few leaflets to download, and we're going to add these to the leaflet dispenser. To create a view, we now need to go to an admin part of the system. We click on Structure, and down the bottom of the screen we have Views. And what we're going to do, we're going to add a new view, and we're going to call this view Leaflet Dispenser. Check I spelt it correctly. And we want it to show content of type documents, and I strongly suggest sorting it by title. All of these settings can be changed. We got the create a page box ticked automatically. The page title is Leaflet Dispenser. We can change this if we want. The path we'll leave as default, Leaflet Dispenser. Here, this display format, what we want is a list of fields, and we have very few formats we can choose here, but the one we probably want, because this works really well, is a grid of fields. The number of items to display we leave set at 10. Use a pager. Well, the pager is the kind of more links, so if you have more than 10 leaflets, there'll automatically be a go to the next page of leaflets, so you probably want this selected. And now what we're going to do is click Continue and Edit. You can see this amber banner that just says all the state changes are stored temporarily. Click Save to make your changes permanent. This actually encourages you just to do a few experiments with your view as you're building it. We'll click Save now, just to make sure that we've saved our changes, and we get a green banner. Now if we go to the bottom of the page, we can see a simple view of a simple view of what the leaflet dispenser is going to look like. And at the moment we can see we've only got the titles of the leaflets. This isn't terribly nice, so what we'll do now, we're going to add the image. Here it's content image. We're going to apply in all displays. If you get onto more complicated types of view, you might want to change that, but at the moment we're just going to do configure for all displays. We don't want a label, we want the formatter to be image. The image style we probably want to be thumbnail for this, and we want to link the image to the file. So what this means is that if somebody clicks on the image, they will actually go to the PDF file. There's lots of other settings here. These are all for advanced users, so I'd leave that behind at the moment. We don't need it. We apply our simple changes to all displays, and if we go down to the bottom, we can now see that we've got the titles above each of the images, and this is getting somewhere to what we want. Personally, I like to put the image above the title, so what we do now, we click on rearrange and we just drag the image up, apply to all displays, and whoa, here we are, we've now got the image below. Now the other thing, oh look, it's in reverse alphabetical order. So here we've got the sort criteria set as descending. Click on that, we want it ascending, apply to all displays, and now we've got the leaflets showing in alphabetical order and something like we probably want. So we go back up, click save, and we've now got our basic leaflet dispenser sorted out. But it's not connected to a menu yet, so what we're going to do, we're going to have a normal entry item, and we're going to call it Leaflet Dispenser, and we're going to tie it directly to the main menu. We're going to apply, save our changes, and now if we go to the home page, we have a leaflet dispenser showing very nicely our leaflets. There are many clever things we can do with views and automatically group different sorts of content together, but this is the basic leaflet dispenser, and all that remains now is to log out and have a look at how our leaflet dispenser will look to our end users. So that's it, the very quick and easy way of making a leaflet dispenser.